To make this integration, I am using Bit Integration plugin. So let's go to my Bit Integration dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Beaver Builder. Select a form. Next, search and select ActiveCampaign. Give here the API URL and API key. So go to the ActiveCampaign site and go to Settings and Developer. Under the Developer you can show here API URL and API key. Copy the API URL and API key and paste it into the integration. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a list and select tags. Map the respective fields. Under the action, you can update the ActiveCampaign by checking it. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next, finish and save it. Go to the Beaver Builder page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the ActiveCampaign page and refresh the page. And you can see the data came successfully in the ActiveCampaign. Thanks for watching this video.